Hi guys, I've been messing around with RSI and looking at the slopes on RSI and see if it's possible to get entries and exit positions just from reading RSI. So I want to quickly run through this with you, more for discussion than to say, yeah, this is a system and it's a system that works, because I don't know if it is yet, but I think this is quite an interesting idea. So what we have here is a really simple chart. I haven't used MT4 because for some reason these charts make it look clearer. This is an IG index advanced chart. So we're on the what are we on? Euro dollar spot 5-minute chart. And what I want to do is see if we can use RSI to find an entry and an exit point in the simplest way possible. So what I'm going to do is we look along the line here, and obviously this has already happened, so it's all with hindsight, but it appears to me to work. So what I do, or what I have been doing, and I've taken 2 or 3 trades with this, by the way, and they've worked. So I don't know whether that's luck or judgment, but let's just see. If we draw a line from the peak here, which is around 71, so just getting on for oversold, down to here. Momentum is a little bit mixed here, and you've got a stochastic cross just after, well, we're about to see that stochastic cross. At the point that you see that, it would still be going up. But look at this. At this point here, the peak where it touches, when this candle closes, theoretically you enter the market there. And either you exit when RSI touches the 30 level, or when RSI comes up to close and cross over our trend line. So let's say that doesn't quite touch there, but this one does here. So what we would do, we have the signal here touching, so theoretically we would exit there. And if we do our calculation, that would give us 835 minus 782, 53 pips minus 2 pips on entry and exit for your spreads, minus 49 pips. So I think that's fairly interesting, because you don't have loads of indicators all over the place, so you don't have to worry about support and resistance from what I can see, because I think this is all composite of all those values are in here somewhere or other, because we've taken 2 points, and what this is telling us is the trend is down. So that is that trade. Let's have a look at another one. So for argument's sake, we have 49 pips in the bag. So let's clear all that off and try another one. So let's have a look. Let's go here. And again, I haven't tested this one out, so I don't know if it's correct or not. But let's say we are here. So there, that's where it touches. In fact, it first touches there. So we would enter the market at that second touch, which brings us into the market here. And it's just scraping down there. We have a breakaway down to here. It doesn't touch the RSI 30 value, so we would probably exit there, where we do get the cross, and that then gives us, let's see what we have. $801 minus 774 is 27 pips minus your 4 pip spread is 23 pips. So in 2 trades, that's 72 pips, purely using RSI. I spoke to somebody I asked the question the other night on Twitter whether people had tried to use this, and someone, I think it was Trader Gav or someone, said that they had done this previously. So I've just put this idea out here at the moment. In fact, let me do one more. Let's see if we can find one for a long trade. So clear out our crap. So how are we going to do it? I presume we would do it from somewhere around the center line, around 39 here, and we can see that it's rising up. So let's try this. If you're going long, you want not the peaks, but you want the bottoms of the troughs. So we would measure from here to here, and then where it touches, go long. So we would be coming in here. It whizzes up, and at this point we're touching RSI 70. So you would actually get out fairly shortly afterwards here. So that is, let's see on my calculator, 816 minus 765, 51 pips. And what's interesting to me is that the slope of the trend line that we're writing is indicating further upside, particularly here. So we've done 2 points, and it says we're having further upside. And similarly, when we did the short trend lines, it indicates further future downtrend. I've got to think more about how that all works, and if there's scope for getting bitten on the arse with this, I just don't know. But we can try and have a look. So if you've got any comments about that, please let me know. I'd be particularly interested in other indicators to confirm entry, but it looks at the moment like just using RSI on its own over this time frame appears to work, certainly on this pair. I've also tried it on the 50-minute time frame, and it works there as well. So there we are. I shall put this up and see what you have to say.